Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. I hope you're having a great day. This morning I saw an article in the Wall Street Journal about the pandemic, economics, of course, and what they called work-life balance. A common term, of course. In particular, they were talking about the fact that people's balance was off because they were working from home. In fact, they were saying that the work was keeping people from having a life. But it occurs to me that this is an entirely fallacious concept. If you like what you do, if you're doing something that energizes you, that empowers you, that gives you a purpose, then that is your life. It's a part of your life. It's not something separate from your life. Reminds me that many physicians have this notion. I've spoken about it before of what I call the physician expiration date. Some date stamped on the bottom of the can, perhaps, that says good until September 15, 2025, when all of a sudden they are retired. But yet what happens to so many people who retire when they lose that large purpose, that work that somehow interfered with life? They no longer have that work and they've lost the purpose for life. Don't fall into that trap. It's a trap that not only has a unfortunate payday when that big piece of your life called work is gone, but it prevents you from taking on new challenges, from expanding your practice, expanding your business, making new investments in your business, which is your best investment, because you think that at some point you or it is simply going to expire. Look, even if it's true that you had 12 months to live, would you want to live in a fashion that you don't do anything new because your date is about to come? I maintain that you wouldn't. Think about that. Think about how that actually intersects with your business strategy, your group's business strategy, your facility's business strategy. Take work-life balance, turn it on its head, and make it pay off for you.